All right, I'm back, the New American Realist, on July 31st, 2023, going over this most important chart of the century. Yes, you heard that correct. In my opinion, the most important chart of the century. Because if you go back the entire century, so we're going back to 1900, commodities compared to Dow Jones Industrial Average are the most undervalued. I will repeat the word undervalued, not overvalued. When is it exactly going to shoot back up? When are we going to see really major moves? Obviously, we don't know exactly, but we can just use history in order to know the future. We can open our own eyes, watch what's going on with gas prices, skyrocketing again, 25 cents just in few hours. When you see energy going up, when you see oil going up, everything's going up because everything runs on energy. So commodities, I believe if you are positioned, you're going to do a lot better than most people. This is not investing or trading advice. These bull markets in commodities, especially when it comes to, let's say, hard commodity like gold, silver, they're very rare. And the biggest moves happen close to the end of the bull markets with 2 to 3 years consolidation period in between, which we've had for a couple of years already, after we were reaching new all-time highs. And now it looks like the monster is awake. And I don't know exactly, like I said, when we're going to see the turnaround, but I'm pretty sure it's coming up anytime soon. I've had a lot of people, a lot of good guests on my show. They're seeing the same thing. Some disagree. They're talking about deflation that hasn't happened yet. The only deflation that we are seeing is the deflation of people's savings account because of inflation. I mean, try to make this up. It is impossible. So I believe that deflation camp is and has been spot on only when it comes to people's savings, because inflation continues to rob the middle class whatever is left of it. Inflation is taxation and taxation is theft. That's how it's been for centuries. And unfortunately, this time it will not be different. This chart was, I will post the source down below. Again, in my opinion, the most significant chart of the century. And this is why I'm liking commodities for this decade. I'm looking to go long again, to add to positions, and again, use the same strategy. Get in, get out, use those profits to buy real things with. Let me know what you guys think about that strategy. How are you positioning yourself for this craziness that's been going on with the markets and inflation and everything else? And if you believe that this chart is relevant or not, let's hear from you, and we will talk soon. I am out.